Hey everyone, we're back at it again with another FTC video. My name is Arvin and I'm from FTC team 5795, back to the drawing board. In today's video, I'm going to cover the basics of 3 different types of channel used in FTC. Let's begin. To start things off, we have Tetrix channel. Tetrix is used in a wide variety of applications ranging from prototyping to creating solid drivetrains. This type of channel contains 2 distinct patterns, the circular pattern, as shown here, as well as this cross pattern. This pattern allows you to add different mechanisms and orient it in a wide variety of orientations. Actobotics channel, on the other hand, contains a continuous pattern, which allows you to angle different brackets in a precise way. As shown here, Actobotics channel can bear more weight as it contains a much larger footprint than its Tetrix counterpart. Finally, we have Gobilda channel. Gobilda channel, as you can see, is much larger than Actobotics and Tetrix. Another positive aspect of Gobilda channel is that it contains uniquely slotted holes, which allow you to move your mechanisms and orient them in a wide variety of ways. Gobilda channel is used a lot by many FTC teams, and it is the go-to option in terms of creating structurally sound robots and projects. And yeah, that concludes our video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more future content. And make sure to check out our other videos on the channel.